A paranoid millionaire sank his $300,000 McLaren into a pond and sued an 80-year-old man, claiming the grandpa targeted him with a sniper laser. The judge's reaction is pure comedy.
He painted my chest with a red sniper laser. I have enemies. I panicked, swerved to evade fire, and sank my $300,000 McLaren in a pond. This was a targeted attack.
A sniper? Your Honor, I bought a $2 laser pointer at the pet store. I was just trying to get my fat tabby cat Barnaby to run across the yard.
Sir, you sank a British supercar into a duck pond because you were running from a cat toy? Case dismissed. And I suggest you lay off the spy movies.